We are now celebrating 25 years of economic reforms and we are set to witness the next wave of reforms with GST. So what exactly is GST and how is it going to impact you and me? GST stands for Goods and Services Tax, which quite literally means a comprehensive tax on goods and services we buy. In the current multi-stage tax structure, we as the last people in the supply chain as end consumers bear this tax in form of indirect tax. GST bill aims to replace all indirect taxes with a single GST tax rate. For example, if I am looking to buy 1 kg of Shimla apples sitting in Hyderabad, I am paying 100 rupees per kg because there are multiple taxes levied across 5 or more states those apples traverse. With GST, the apples may be taxed just at a single rate and they may also move faster. GST would be applicable for most consumer items except fuel, liquor and tobacco. This one nation, one tax regime will also improve ease of doing business, doing away with complicated compartmentalized interstate taxes and multi-layered policies. India being a federal structure will be adopting a dual GST model which will basically have 3 kinds of taxes: central, state and another one called integrated GST to tackle interstate transactions. Once the constitution is amended to include GST, a council will be formed comprising of the union and all state finance ministers, which will finalize thresholds, rates, exemptions and other material elements of the GST design. This sure is to increase transparency. However, the real test lies in the way GST will be implemented. So the initial framework may necessarily have flaws and each economy refines it as per its own experience. One visible flaw is the current framework is that 2 major revenue generating sectors are kept out of the tax net: liquor and petroleum. So, a flawed GST can be politically counterproductive. The other concern is imposition of the GST might lead to strangulating the revenue sources of the states. States should be able to control their tax revenue, upholding vibrant cooperative federalism. While GST is a game-changing reform, establishing India as a single largest new common market, it would be a mistake to treat GST as a remedy for all the ills confronting our economy.